Hello everyone, today we are going to understand a very important UPSC current affairs topic: West Asia tensions, the Strait of Hormuz and India's oil security. First, let us look at an important news update. The government of India recently stated that India currently has crude oil reserves for about 25 days and petrol and diesel reserves for another 25 days. This means that India has fuel security for roughly 50 days in total. But the big question is, what happens if the crisis continues for a longer period? To understand this, we must first know about an important location, the Strait of Hormuz. The Strait of Hormuz is a narrow sea route located between Iran and Oman. Around 20% of the world's oil supply passes through this route. Many Middle East countries such as Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, and the United Arab Emirates transport most of their oil through this passage. Now, the important question is, what would happen if this route is closed? First, global oil prices would increase sharply. As a result, petrol and diesel prices in India could also rise. However, India does not depend entirely on the Middle East for its oil imports. There is an important point to understand here. Currently, Russia is the largest supplier of crude oil to India. Oil coming from Russia does not pass through the Strait of Hormuz. Instead, it follows this route: Russia, Mediterranean Sea, Suez Canal, Indian Ocean, India. Similarly, oil from the United States reaches India through the Atlantic Ocean and then the Indian Ocean. Therefore, even if the Strait of Hormuz is closed, India will not completely run out of oil supply. Another important factor is strategic petroleum reserves. India has emergency oil reserves stored in locations such as Visakhapatnam, Mangaluru, Padur. In an emergency situation, the government can release oil from these reserves. Now let us look at an important geopolitical point. Recently, Russia said that if India needs more oil, Russia is ready to increase its supply. This is not just a business offer, it is also a geopolitical strategy. After the Russia-Ukraine war, many Western countries reduced their oil purchases from Russia due to sanctions. As a result, Russia started selling more oil to Asian markets, especially India and China. However, one important point must be remembered. Even if India buys more oil from Russia, a global rise in oil prices will still affect India's economy. That is why India does not depend on a single country. Instead, India follows a diversified oil import policy. Finally, for the UPSC exam, remember the three pillars of India's energy security. 1. Diversified oil imports. 2. Strategic petroleum reserves. 3. Renewable energy transition. Together, these three strategies help India maintain long-term energy security.